Hello, Orchestra 1. How are you guys? Miss you. So for your test, you guys are playing exercises line number 3 and 4. You do not have a scale this week. You can go over the G major scale just so that you get it stuck in your head. For things in the future, you will need to have that memorized. So make sure that you do go over that, okay? And get that into your memory. For page 26, it's kind of a review of the G major scale, of the G major key signature. And then we start to go into dynamic contrast. So if you see at the top, you have the P to F, which means play piano first. And then the second time you play forte, or F to P, where you play forte the first time and piano the second time. In this case, we're playing piano first, and then we go to forte. We have a first and a second ending, so you need to make sure that you do your repeat. You go back to the beginning after you play the first box, or box 1. You play from the beginning up until the measure right before box 1, and then jump to box 2 for your second ending, or the second ending. And that second time you're going to be playing forte. Okay, ways that you can play piano and forte. For piano, you're going to get closer to, remember, you can get closer to the fingerboard, okay, for piano, and closer to the closer to the bridge for the forte. You can use more weight in your bow when you're playing forte, and less weight in your bow when you're playing piano. You may want to decide to have a faster bow speed as well for your forte sections, and a little bit slower closer to the tip for your piano sections, and closer to the frog, because the frog is heavier at your forte sections. Okay, I'm going to play line number 3 first. I'm going to play it with the repeat. You do not need to do the repeat for your test. For line number 4, you have to do the repeat. You have to absolutely do the first and second ending for line number 4. So let's start with line number 3. It's reviewing all the notes on the G string, okay? So if you need a refresher, just go to line number 1 and go over those notes again. One and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and ready and play and. Notice that I played my 4th finger for the D. Try to do that. Challenge yourself and go that step ahead and play that 4th finger as it's written in your music. Okay? Just because the 4 is written only on one of them doesn't mean that you don't play it for the second one. It wouldn't make sense to play your 4th finger for the first D and then go over to the open D and then play open D. Okay? So use your 4th finger for both notes. Okay? Here's exercise number 4. Remember your first and second endings and your dynamics. I'm grading you on those dynamics. Okay? Closer to the fingerboard for piano. A little bit closer to the tip for piano as well. Less weight in that hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions or you need some help going through the line, let me know. Send me an email at any time and I will respond back to you. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye.